Imagine this: you have a fantastic affiliate product and a fantastic website, but the excitement level of your commissions is about the same as watching paint dry. What if we told you there was a magic ingredient you could use to increase your affiliate commissions exponentially? Meet AI copywriting, your new best buddy, ladies and gentlemen. Hold that idea. For those of you who may be wondering, isn't AI that thing that's supposed to steal all our jobs? AI is not your enemy when it comes to affiliate marketing. Rather, it is your ally. It serves as the Watson to your Sherlock and Robin to your Batman. Still doubtful? So fasten your seatbelts because this voyage is going to be exciting. Let's get directly to the meat of the matter. The ability of AI copywriting to produce persuading, captivating, and SEO-friendly text is what gives it its power. It's like having access to a copywriting powerhouse who works non-stop and never gets tired, calls in sick, or requests a raise. Doesn't it seem like a member of the ideal team? That's not all, though. AI is able to assess the behavior, interests, and demands of your audience, allowing it to provide customized content that talks to your potential consumers directly. It easily changes its language to the surroundings, much like a chameleon. Higher engagement, more clicks, and yes, higher affiliate commissions were the outcomes. What's even more thrilling, though? In a small fraction of the time it would take a person, AI copywriting tools can produce hundreds of unique pieces of content. It's similar to having a flash copywriter on your team. Your AI friend has you covered whether you require product descriptions, blog posts, or email newsletters. Let's start with the biggest issue. Won't writing produced by AI sound robotic? In no way. The comedy, emotion, and inventiveness found in human writing are replicated in modern AI copywriting technologies. It's like carrying around a screenwriter who won an Oscar. The icing on the cake is that AI copywriting can enhance your SEO game. AI can help your content rank higher on search engines by evaluating and utilizing trending keywords. This will increase traffic to your website and raise your affiliate commissions. It's like to having a dedicated Google Whisperer at your disposal. So, are you prepared to use AI copywriting to enhance your affiliate game? Affiliate marketing will undergo a transformation, thanks to AI, not if, but when. And the time for that, my friends, has come. Don't fall behind in the revolution that is affiliate marketing. Watch as your affiliate commissions rise to new heights by embracing AI copywriting. AI is enabling the affiliate marketing of the future, which has already arrived. AI copywriting, your path to success in affiliate marketing.